Hi, I'm Andrea Beaton, and I'm going to be teaching the Cape Breton fiddle lessons offered online by the Gaelic College in St. Anne's, Cape Breton. We're going to do the lessons in 3 levels. The first level is going to be getting to know your instrument, getting comfortable with it, learning a bit about the bow on the strings, and then we're going to work our way into learning a jig and a reel. In level 2, we're going to start working a bit on embellishments, and also we're going to start working a bit on medleys. So we're going to start with a march, and then we're going to do a strathspey, and these could go with the reel that we learned in level 1. Level 3 is going to be a little bit more intense, and we're going to learn a few more tunes with embellishments. We're also going to work on a key change, transitions between the tunes, a little bit of bowing and grace notes. And we're going to try and fit all these tunes that we learned together at the end and make a little medley out of it and play them almost up to speed. I look forward to sharing the music with you and hope to see you soon.